Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and today I wanted to talk about when do I need to retire my towels? Well, it's never fun to say goodbye to an old trusty friend, especially someone as dependable as a Rag Company towel. But like all good things, some have to come to an end. So when do you know that? When do you realize that maybe you need to add some new items to the arsenal? Well, it's very simple. How long have you had that towel? Well, also, how well did you take care of that towel? And what did you use to take care of it with? Now, many towels have a single or, few use, maybe less than a dozen uses before they're dead, right? You've got a towel that maybe you used on an engine bay, and it's kind of dirty, but you kind of want to keep it. So you kind of wash it with some dirty ones, and then you keep using it. At some point, it's probably good to just toss that towel. But you have other towels, say for instance like our Eagle Edgeless, which is a great towel and can do a lot of things and actually doesn't get that dirty when it's being used as a spray sealant or a final wipe down towel, or what I like to refer to as a last touch towel, meaning it's the last towel to touch the surface of a clean car. Those towels can have a lifespan, if cared for, washed properly, and in accordance with what we state, could last 4, 5, 6 years without any issues. But what if you're using a towel and you're using products that tend to seal or cause that towel to limit its uses? Well, you can either find a new use for that towel, maybe it becomes the dirty job towel, or you can toss the towel. The point is, the towel needs to be able to retain its absorbency and its softness to be effective. If your towels have somewhat depleted those issues or aren't doing the job that they originally set out to do, then you should probably replace them. Now, most towels, I like to see a number of uses out of them, thereby lowering the cost per use of that towel, especially in a professional setting. But if you're a home hobbyist and you're using them just to wash your car, and maybe you wash in 2 cars every week, there's no reason you can't get 2-3 years out of your towels if you're using the correct laundering techniques and the correct care procedures in storing those towels. Now, if you're dropping them on the ground, you're picking them up, you're shaking them off, you're leaning them on trash cans, you're just not caring for your towels, they aren't going to last as long. So just like any type of tool, a towel, if cared for, if put away responsibly, if utilized in the right circumstances, will last you quite a long time. So whether you're a professional or a home hobbyist, make sure that you are taking care of your products and they will take care of you. You need to use your eyes. They are the best tools that you have to make sure that the towels are still working. Do they have debris in them? Do they have copious amounts of debris in them? Are they still absorbent? You can pour water on a towel and see how long it takes it to absorb it. Many towels will start to bead right off the bat, but if you can get a towel to still be absorbent, then the towel should technically do the job. Also, inspect it. If you're running too high a heat, you're going to burn the towel and it's going to damage the fibers. So make sure that everything is good by doing a visual check. Also, remember, towels need to be replaced. That's part of it. That's what they're around for. They're not designed to last forever. So if you're wondering next time, do I need to replace my towels? Use your eyes, take a look at the towel, see what kind of job you've been given it, and how long it's been working. Maybe it's washed both your cars for the last 3 years. Well, that towel may need to be retired. It's done its duty, and maybe it's time to get some new ones. But if you've only had that towel a week and you're still not really sure what the job is for that towel, or maybe you're a little confused because it's not working the way you want it to, do not hesitate. Contact our customer service department and we will be glad to figure out the solution together. Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.